Welcome to Gariautocare. I'm Tim Wire. Today I have Honda Fit and it has a problem with check engine. Number 2, rough idling. Number 3, engine hesitation or misfire. Number 4, increase in emission. Number 5, poor fuel economy. Number 6, engine knocking. Number 7, smell of fuel. Number 8, black exhaust smoke. Using my oil machine, I have found out the problem is EGR. So we are going to remove that EGR and to clean. Okay, the function of EGR is circulating of portion of the engine exhaust back into the intake manifold to reduce nitrogen oxide emissions. Over time, these exhausters can cause carbon deposits to accumulate on the EGR valve, leading to clogging and reduce efficiency. Look at the EGR, there is a lot of carbon deposit, so we need to clean it. But before that, we have to start the engine. This helps to remove the carbon deposit inside the exhaust pipe and use a screwdriver to remove the remaining one, just like that. Yes, this is the EGR. So instead of replacing with a new one, which is very expensive, the best thing is to clean. It's about cleaning the carbon deposit. Look at the inside there, the EGR. We are going to clean this EGR, then we install back to the vehicle. See, back to EGR. After cleaning it, you have already cleaned the EGR, so we are going to erase the code. Engine off, delete the code. Yes, wait a bit. Code have been successfully erased. Okay, put ignition off. Turn the ignition on. Then let us confirm the original code. So no fault code detected. So let me start the vehicle. See, the engine is stable, no check engine. We cleared the code, so we are going to rescan all system. Remember the engine is on. Still there. Okay. So engine no fault, no fault. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.